Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I make videos about tech, unboxing, product reviews, events, and some fun stuff. And for today's video, I will be unboxing this Rode NT USB mini microphone. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. And at first, it was kind of hard for me to look for a microphone because I really know nothing about microphones and audio at the moment. So, I had to ask people, especially my coworkers, because I've seen them on Zoom calls that they have like really those fancy mic with stands on the meeting, and it really sounds good. So, I asked them, and most of them told me that they have the Shure microphones, and when I looked that up, they are quite expensive. They are very pricey for someone who really doesn't do much with microphone like me. I think the microphones that they had were like over 300 plus, and those are like podcast quality microphones as well. So I was a little hesitant to get and look into those microphones because I may not be able to utilize and maximize the features of those microphones, because I just need a simple microphone that would be still a great quality for my live streaming and recording content and videos. So my coworker suggested for me to get and try out this Rode microphone, which is a mini USB microphone. So this is a plug and play microphone that is very easy to use but gives you like great quality that is really good for like Zoom meetings, live streaming. Okay, so before we unbox this thing, I ordered this from Amazon, and I think it's below $100. It's 99 something, and this is very easy to find. It's on Amazon, it's on Rode website. So now let's get started unboxing. Okay, so let's look at the microphone up close. So this is the microphone. It's a mini microphone, so it really does look small. This is my hand, and it could fit in my hand. And it's not heavy, it's really light and compact, so it's perfect if you have a small desk area. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Also in front, it looks like this is the volume if you want to increase or decrease the volume in here. And at the back there is an audio jack for headphone, and of course the USB-C port to plug it to the computer. Okay, so far it really looks very simple, very basic, very entry-level microphone. It's not very intimidating like those fancy ones. And also the stand is magnetic from this microphone, so you can actually detach the stand and it would look like this. And it's so easy because it's magnetic, so you don't have to screw it in or figure it out. It just attaches and detaches so easily. Also, the box comes with the cord, of course. So the cord for this would be USB-A to USB-C. So very simple, very easy to plug and play. You don't have to find the correct ports for it or worry about the ports if you don't have an aux port or something for the microphone, because this is just USB-A, and every computer has USB-A or dongles or adapters for USB-A. So it's very simple to set up. And the box also comes with this thread adapter. So this is if you want to attach the microphone to a mic stand. Okay, so I'm excited to try this now. Let us plug this in. Okay, now it's lighting up. It means that it is connected. Hello, mic test. Testing microphone. Hello, hello. So this is what the microphone sounds like. Hello. So I am not speaking on it too closely. It might echo a bit. It kind of sounds a little echoey for a reason. Not sure why or if I can fix it, but let's see some settings and I'm gonna check out the manual. So I am just gonna leave it on the stand and tilt it a bit and see if it captures my voice better than while I'm holding it, because there's a little bit of echo when I hold it. Maybe I am speaking too close to the microphone. So let's see. My coworker also told me that I could also use their software and just download it so I can fix the settings and apply some effects on this microphone and the audio. So let's try that. Okay, so this is what the software looks like. It's called Rode Connect, and I know nothing about this, but it seems like you can record your audio in here too. And oh, nice, there seems to be like effects, a few of them you can choose from. Well, let's try this out. Laughter, not sure what it does though. Scary. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Yeah, I know nothing about audio, so not sure what this does. Okay, so far I think this is a nice entry-level microphone. It's very simple to use, very basic microphone. It's not intimidating with the fanciness of the features. So if you are looking for something simple but improves your audio, you can probably check out this microphone. I know nothing about the audio game and all of that, so I am not the correct person to be giving a review about it, but I just want to share what the product looks like and what it sounds like as well. So if you have more knowledge about microphones and audio, and if you want to help me out with this setup or give me more tips, please do comment it down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next unboxing videos. Thank you so much for watching.